Okay, so you're looking right now how you can only search for control in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So first click on multiplayer, followed by find a match. Then different options appear. We want to focus on quick play, find a match. And if you hover over this button, you have the filter option available. Click on it and now all the 9 different game modes appear. Just deselect all unwanted game modes and now click on the top find a match, or go back and click here on find a match, and now we are searching only for control. The same applies for the hardcore game mode. Just deselect and now you can search for one specific game mode. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.